Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering materials and making the first impression. Do this now. Mix alginate per instructions. Aim for a smooth, glossy mix, then load the tray evenly. Seat the patient with firm, steady pressure and hold until set. This reduces distortion. Once removed, inspect the impression for margins and anatomical detail. If you see voids near key teeth, you must retake immediately. This first good impression sets the foundation for a precise index dental model. Once the impression is verified, mix dental stone with the manufacturer ratio and vibrate to eliminate bubbles. Pour slowly from a single point so the stone flows into all fossae and undercuts. This preserves fine anatomy. Allow the stone to set fully, then separate the impression carefully. Next, mount and trim the base to a 20-25 mm thickness for stability and carve the occlusal plane true. This creates a reliable working model for index fabrication and reduces later adjustment time. You now fabricate the index. Coat the model with separating medium and adapt silicone or resin material accurately over the prepared teeth. Ensure coverage of critical margins and interproximal areas, then cure according to timing. Once set, remove and test fit in the mouth. Check margins, seating, and occlusion. If it rocks or binds, make sure the model wasn't distorted and inspect the impression for voids. If necessary, retake the impression and remake the index. This focused troubleshooting prevents clinical errors and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.